In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change business name in Google Business Profile. If you've recently rebranded or need to correct your business name, this straightforward walkthrough will show you exactly where to make the change and how to do it correctly so customers see the right information on search and maps. First, open your browser and go to business.google.com. Sign in with the Google account that manages your profile. If you manage more than one location, make sure you're working on the correct listing before you continue. You'll land on the dashboard for your business profile. Next, look for the Edit Profile option. Depending on your view, you'll see it in the main dashboard or across the top of your profile. Click it to open the editing pane where you can update core details about your business. Inside the editing pane, find the business name field and click the small pencil icon next to it. That opens the name editor. Before you type, a quick best practice: use the real-world name that appears on your storefront, website, and legal documents. Avoid adding extra keywords, taglines, location descriptors, or service lists. Google's guidelines require the name to reflect your brand as customers know it, and keeping it consistent helps your rankings and prevents suspensions. Now type your new business name exactly as you want it to appear. Double-check spelling, capitalization, and spacing. If you operate multiple locations or franchises, keep the naming format consistent across all profiles. It's also a good time to make sure your website, social profiles, and local listings match the same name for NAP consistency. When you're happy with the update, click Save. In many cases, the change will appear right away. Sometimes Google may review the edit or ask for verification if the change is significant. That's normal. Just watch for a notification in your dashboard and keep an eye on your email for any follow-up requests. Reviews typically resolve quickly, and your new name should propagate across search and maps shortly after approval. And that's it. You've updated your business name in Google Business Profile. After the change goes live, do a quick search for your business on Google to confirm it displays correctly, and update any marketing materials or directory listings so everything stays consistent. If you need to tweak anything later, you can return to the same edit profile area and adjust as needed.